Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the first question in exercise 4.6. Using matrix method to solve the following system of equation, there are two subdivisions. Let's take up the first one. And look at these system of equations in this format where the coefficients of the variables can be written as a matrix A. So here it will be 5, 2, 7, 3. The variables x and y can be written in a matrix of x, y, and the constant on the right side can be written as a matrix of b, which is 4, 5. So here ax is equal to b in terms of matrix type. So which means x is going to be equal to A inverse of b. So let's first find out the inverse of this particular matrix, and the first step for that is to calculate the determinants. So determinant of A is going to be equal to, now let's do the simple cross multiplication. So it is 15 minus 14, which is equal to 1. So determinant of A is 1. Now let's calculate A inverse. A inverse is 1 by determinant of A into matrix adjoint of A. So since determinant of A is 1, you can directly say that A inverse is going to be equal to adjoint of A's matrix. So now let's calculate adjoint of A matrix, that is the inverse directly. So for a 2 cross 2 matrix, what do? We swap these elements. So this becomes 3, this becomes 5, and this will become minus 2 and this will become minus 7. So this is the adjoint matrix and also the inverse matrix. Now let's compute what is the X matrix. X matrix is nothing but A inverse of B. So which is going to be 3 minus 2 minus 7, 5 will be multiplied with the matrix 4, 5. So let's evaluate that. So this is going to be 3 into 4 is 12 plus 5 into minus 2. So it is minus 10. This is going to be minus 28 plus 25. So this is the resultant matrix. And remember, this matrix is equal to the XY matrix. So XY is going to be equal to 2 and this is minus 3. Therefore, x is going to be equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 3. Now let's look at the second subdivision. So the A matrix is going to be 4 minus 3, 3 minus 5. The X matrix is again XY and this B matrix is going to be 3, 7. So first let's compute. Remember, AX is going to be equal to B. So we are supposed to find the inverse of this matrix. The first step is the determinant. So determinant of A is going to be minus 20. Minus of minus 9 is plus 9. So which is equal to minus 11. Now let's compute the A inverse. The next step is to calculate the adjoint of A. So adjoint of A, we are going to just swap this. So this is minus 5 and 4. Sign change. So this will be plus 3 and minus 3. So A inverse matrix is going to be 1 divided by minus 11 into this matrix minus 5, 3, minus 3, 4. So for us, XY matrix value will be A inverse B. So this is minus 1 by 11 into this matrix minus 5, 3, minus 3, 4 with this matrix which is equal to 3 and 7. So let's perform the cross multiplication and do this one. So this is minus 1 by 11. So this is minus 15 plus 21. This is minus 9 plus 28. So if you simplify, this is minus 1 by 11 and in the numerator it will become 6 and in the top it will become 6. Here 28 minus 9. So this is going to be equal to 19. So now you can compare the x value and y value. So x and y matrix will be actually equal to minus 6 by 11. And in this case, it is going to be equal to minus 19 by 11. So these will be the x and y values and it is in the matrix form. So the final answer will be x is equal to minus 6 by 11 and y is equal to minus 19 by 11. In the next video, we will find the solution for the second question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.